Hello, my dear apprentices. This is your coach, Mr. Magno, and in this video, the objective is to subtract decimals using place value strategies. All right, let us begin. If we read the problems, actually the instructions first, this means subtract. That means you're going to take away a small number from a larger number. And we may use the place value chart. That's a great tool to use. All right, anyways, let's look at this. So we have a subtraction. You're going to subtract 3/10, which is a smaller number, from a larger number, which is 9/10. And this, because the units are the same, all you gotta do is look at 9 minus 3, and your answer will be 6. So the answer is 6/10. Now, I'm gonna take a little step farther. Let's pretend that we need to write that as a standard form. So we're going to write it here so you can get used to this. Okay, so because we're working with tenths, if you look at the place value chart, the tenths are always they have a decimal point, and here are the tenths, right? And so that's how you're going to write it as a standard form. So it's going to be 0.6/10, and that is the answer for that division, that subtraction. All right, let's do another one, one that is a little more challenging. For example, let's look at this. This one has two different units. These are the ones units, and these are the thousand units. Okay, and here's the symbol, that is the subtraction symbol. So we're gonna take away 3 ones from 9 ones. In this case, the division is straightforward, but if you want to see it on the place value chart, you will copy this on the place value chart. 9 ones and 2,000. So 9 ones is right here. It's on that place, and 2,000. So we'll write this here, and now we know that we have 0 hundredths and 0 tenths, and we're going to subtract 3 ones. So we're going to go back and place the ones on the place of the place value one, the ones place, and now we're going to do the subtraction. Now you can also imagine that there's our zeros here. There are 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, and 0 thousandths. So you can see taking away 0 thousandth from 2 is going to yield the same number. And this should be 0 minus 0 equals 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0, and the answer 9 minus 3 will equal 6. So now we know that the answer has 6 ones, 6 ones and 2 thousandths. Okay, so 6 ones and 2 thousandths as the answer. So now we're going to write that in here. How many ones we have left? 6. Let me fix this right here. And how many thousandths? Well, 2 thousandths. Now remember, when we write this one, we do not write the decimal, because this is the unit of it, and that represents the decimal. That is telling you that is the answer. Now, if you wanted to write it as the standard form, you will write it like this: 6.002, just like we did it in the place value chart. So this one is 56 thousandths minus 23 thousandths. This I'm going to write on my place value chart. So 56 thousandths, so that's going to be 56 minus, I think it was 23 thousandths. And as we know, there are 0 tenths and 0. On both of the numbers, there is 0 tenths. And remember, this is where the decimal point is hiding. Now we'll do the actual subtraction. 6 minus 3 equals 3, and 5 minus 2 equals 3. So we have 0 tenths again, and the leftover, the remainder, or the difference is 33 thousandths. All right, so notice that this one says 33 thousandths. So we're going to write it without the decimal, 33 thousandths. Now, 33 thousandths, if I go back here, is composed from 300ths and 3 thousandths. We're going to subtract 41 and 84 hundredths minus 9 tenths. So we're going to write that on the place value chart. 41 and 82. So this will be 41, correct? And that will be 84 hundredths. I'm going to write that under the hundredths, and we're going to identify the decimal point right here. Minus 9 thousandths. Okay, so we're going to write not 9 thousandths. I believe this is 9 tenths right here, 9 tenths. Okay, can we take away a 0 from 4? The answer is going to be the same. Can we take away 9 from 8? And the answer is no, no, no. We have to borrow because the number above must be bigger. So we're going to borrow from the ones. And now this is going to, the ones now reduces to a 0. And this, because we borrowed a 10, is going to be 18. So now we can do that in 18 minus 9, and now the answer will be 9. 40 and 94 hundredths. 94 hundredths. So there you have it, my friends. Watch this video again if you need to see the wonderful strategies that you can use to be successful in mathematics. Your coach, Mr. Magno, is signing out.